How to remove a bank card in OANDA. First of all, open your browser and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, navigate to the Account tab from the left-hand side menu. Here you will see your saved payment methods, including your bank account. Select the card you want to remove and you will notice 3 dots next to it. Click on the 3 dots and from the drop-down menu, select Remove. Since this demonstration is on a demo account, the option to remove isn't available here. But in a live account, once you click on Remove, a confirmation message will appear asking if you are sure about removing the card. Confirm your action and the selected bank card will be successfully removed from your account. Once removed, the card will no longer be available for deposits or withdrawals. If you ever want to add it back, you will need to re-enter the details again by clicking on Add New Account. Now you know how to remove a bank card quickly and safely. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.